Hi guys, this is Gayatri Mandra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have no makeup on my face because in today's video, I am going to show you how to conceal, contour and highlight your face with using only concealers. Can you guys imagine? आपको हर varieties के products खरीदने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है because we are going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is so popular concealer and you guys must have heard about this concealer a lot because this is the viral concealer and there is a reason why this is viral concealer because this blends so smoothly and हर एक Indian skin tone के लिए इनके पास shades है which is too good because so many brands in the market have no shades available for every skin tone. I have personal issues with these because I have so much of dark circle as you guys can see right now, and right now my skin was doing not well at all. You guys can see the pigmentation and the dark spots on my face, but whenever I do makeup I make sure to use this concealer because this is going to hide all my dark circles and pigmentation of my face and also dark circles too. So this conceals so smoothly, that's why these concealers are super viral. And also so many beginners does not know how to conceal, how to choose their right shade and how to choose for highlighting shade, how to choose for contouring shade, etc. That's why I thought about doing this video. Because of this video you are going to get a knowledge of how to choose your right shade, how to highlight and how to contour your face like a pro. As a beginner बहुत confusion होता है because there are so many shades right in front of you and you don't know how to select a shade, you don't know how dark your dark circles is. Because ये मेरे साथ personally हुआ है, so I can feel you guys कि ये शेड चूज करना कितना ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है. So without any further ado, let's start the video. I am totally reliable on concealers because the one thing I wouldn't want in my travel bag or in my travel makeup bag is foundation because it will be heavy on your face. As you guys know, monsoon is already here and we usually don't like full face and full coverage of makeup because it will be very heavy on your face. So I totally reliable on concealers. It's very lightweight and if you have concealer and if you have a right shade of your concealer, you are just good to go. And बात रहे foundation की, तो until and unless it's event or if it's occasion or a wedding, तब जाके मैं फाउंडेशन लगाती हूँ. अदरवाइज आई एम सुपर रिलायबल ऑन कंसीलर्स. कंसीलर्स आर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हाईली रिकमेंडिंग यू दिस Maybelline Age Rewind concealer because these are just so smooth and blend so quickly. The texture is very creamy and it is a multi-use concealer, so it's 10 on 10 for me. So let's start concealing our eyes first. I'm going to conceal my eyes with this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade 140 Honey. So you guys can see the packaging. It's very convenient. You just have to open the cap and you can see the sponge here. All the product will be here in a minute if you just roll on this concealer like this. Can you hear this sound? It's very satisfying. And then just warm up your concealer a bit. एप्लीकेशन यूज करना ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ईजी है because it's very convenient to use. And you can see the concealer is coming out of it. This is the shade 140 Honey. If you guys have dark circles like me from medium to dark circles, you guys can definitely prefer to 140 Honey shade, which is perfect for me. And I'm just going to conceal my eyes like this. Wow, it's so smooth. And also I'm going to use this around my mouth because there is a pigmentation, if you guys can see. And that's it. I'm going to blend this with a sponge. If you want, you can always use a brush, whatever you are comfortable with. I'm comfortable with the sponge, so I'm going to blend this with this. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? I mean, I have only used a little bit of a concealer like this only and it just vanished. अगर मैं इसके ऊपर highlight भी करती हूँ ना, you guys will see a huge difference on my eyes and it will look just flawless. अब तक तो आपको समझ जाना चाहिए था you don't need foundation at all. I'm just going to blend this everything at a time and then you guys will see a huge difference on my face. My favorites when I'm with my click, running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my. So this is what my face is looking after only concealing and I think it's looking super perfect. And I covered my dark circles almost 80%. So you guys can see the difference from before picture and after pictures, and this is how you cover your under eyes. So always remember, use exact your shade, otherwise it will going to brighten your eyes or it will going to darken your eyes. Either way, you need to choose your exact shade just to conceal your eyes and you're good to go. So I think my concealer is looking so good and it blended so quickly, like in just a second I blended everything on my face. So let's move on to the next thing. I would like to do contouring on my face. So as a makeup content creator, I am not a fan of contouring बिकॉज जब मैं बिगिनर थी मुझे कॉन्टोर करना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. मैंने कितने यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखे थे, बट राइट नाउ आई नो कॉन्टोरिंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंसीलर, एंड दिस कंसीलर मेड माई लाइफ सुपर इजी बिकॉज इट हैज अ मल्टी यूज एंड यू कैन यूज योर डार्केस्ट शेड एज योर कॉन्टोर शेड. कैन यू गाइज इमेजिन हाउ इजी इज दैट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस कंसीलर इन द शेड बटरस्कॉच. दिस इज माई परफेक्ट शेड फॉर कॉन्टोर. आपको डार्केस्ट ब्राउन शेड यूज करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज आपको कॉन्टोर करना है. आपको आपके फेस से एक शेड या दो शेड डार्कर शेड चूज करना है जस्ट टू कॉन्टोर योर फेस. एंड माई शेड इज 142 बटरस्कॉच विच इज परफेक्ट फॉर माई फेस. नाउ लेट्स कॉन्टोर. ओके, सो कॉन्टोरिंग हैज सो मेनी वेरिएशंस. लाइक बहुत सारे लोग पूरा कॉन्टोर कर लेते हैं एंड बहुत सारे लोग मिनिमल कॉन्टोर कर लेते हैं. एंड आई एम द पर्सन हु डू मिनिमल कॉन्टोरिंग बिकॉज मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता रहता है कि हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेस्ट माई कॉन्टोरिंग. दैट्स वाई आई डू अ मिनिमल कॉन्टोरिंग एंड दिस इज the perfect product for contouring. So for contouring I'm always use this direction, like where my lips end ना, यहाँ से लेके मैं यहाँ तक ऐसे एंगल ड्रॉ करती हूँ, like imagine करती हूँ, and I just do a line here like this. यहाँ पे भी मैं सेम वैसा ही करूँगी. I'm going to just draw a line over here and थोड़ा सा forehead पे भी कर लूँगी मैं because you know shape matters. And also I'm going to contour my nose to give a slim look to my nose. So this is how I do my contouring and I'm going to just blend this everything and I'm good to go. मेक श्योर जब भी आप ब्लेंड करोगे ना तो ऐसे डैप करना, डू नॉट ड्रैग द प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज इसके पहले का जो आपने कंसीलर लगाया होगा वो भी निकल जाएगा. दैट्स वाई यू ऑलवेज डैप द प्रोडक्ट एंड ब्लेंड इट इनटू योर स्किन एंड डू नॉट ड्रैग द प्रोडक्ट एट ऑल. सो FYI मैंने थोड़ा सा और कॉन्टोर कर लिया था and added little bit of a more product because I think it was not showing off or something. But now after adding more product I can see the difference. Like you guys can see my nose is totally contoured. I will fix that up because highlighting की process अभी बाकी है. And you guys can see about this part, it's super amazing and my face is looking like a snatched एकदम से. Now I'm going to highlight my face with one shade lighter to my skin and always choose one shade lighter if you want to highlight your face and always choose one shade darker if you want to contour your face. So this is how you choose your shade and always choose your right shade to conceal your eyes. That's why you will be able to cover your dark spots and pigmentation and dark circles too. You guys can see at the start of the video on my bare face there was so much of dark spots and pigmentation, but right now I concealed almost everything. This is how my natural makeup looks like. I think it's super lightweight and it's perfect for this season, and this is a long lasting product, so this will not come off very easily until and unless you use a micellar water to remove and get rid of your makeup. And I know only highlighting process is remaining, so let's complete this look and then I'll show you the final look. Now for highlighting my face I'm going to use this shade which called 100 Ivory. This is a very light shade and this will going to highlight my face very naturally, so let's do it. So now I'm going to highlight my under eyes first because ये वाला part बहुत important होता है. This is how I'm going to highlight, and then a bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to highlight my eyebrow part थोड़ा सा, and then here on my cheeks थोड़ा सा contouring जहाँ किया था उसके नीचे भी.
My favorites when I'm with my click, running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click, running with my smiling faces on a daily.
This is how my highlighting part is looking and I think it's looking super perfect, and I assured you that I will fix my nose, and look how snatched my nose is looking. I mean it is looking thoda sa patla na because of this contouring, and my under eyes are also looking super great. Remember how my dark circles was very dark and it covered everything because of this concealers, and contouring is also done super well. I'm very proud of myself. I just need to complete my whole look and I will be back in just a second. This is how my full face is looking. I think it's looking super cute. I covered everything. I only added mascara, blush and a lipstick, and that's it. This is how my face is looking, and I'm totally ready for monsoon because I only want this much of makeup on my face on monsoon. I only want concealing, mascaras and blush, that's it, and I'm good to go. I am that girl because right now foundation is no for me. This is how my face is looking after using these 3 concealers from Maybelline Age Rewind range, and these products right here are my go-to products, and that's it. This video is for you guys only, how to cover your under eyes, how to do everything using these concealers only, and I'm highly recommending you to use these concealers only because this is all you need in your makeup vanity and you are good to go. And also let me know in the comment section ki how my face is looking right now, and also my product link na description box mein dal dungi, so do not forget to check that out also. And if you do like this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful for me and for you also, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.